The Idoma International Carnival is an annual carnival held in Otukpo, Benue State, Nigeria. The carnival started in 2013 by Dr. Prince Edwin Ochai. His plan was simple: to unite the Idoma people and attract tourists. It holds every December as an activity to mark the Christmas celebration and the New Year celebration. This year carnival was divided into 6 different events: Nigeria Carnival Queen, Cultural Carnival, Traditional Wrestling, Carnival Street Party, Bikers Carnival, Music and Award Night. The ones I was particular about attending were the Bikers Carnival and the Carnival Street Party. Some of these activities are free while some are paid for. I started off my own experience with the Bikers Carnival.
What does Idoma International Carnival mean to you?
Hello everyone, my name is Ochanya. I was former Nigerian Carnival Queen 2024, and trust me, Idoma Carnival means so much to me. It's more than just a carnival. Idoma Carnival feels like home to me. Feels like home to all the Idoma sons and daughters. So this year we should be expecting nothing short of excitement. Like, trust me, you can see what's going on. It's a lot going on right now, and it's just so much to expect, honestly.
If you love speed and adventure, I would recommend you attend the Bikers Carnival for a day. And that was the end of my Bikers Carnival Day experience. So we are currently at Ochacho Hotel to book a reservation. Fast forward to the next day, which is the main reason why everybody comes to Otukpo, the Carnival Street Party Day. This is the main carnival day, and on this day, thousands of people come in different bands, colorfully dressed into the street, parading, dancing, also passing a message based on the theme for that year. For this year, the theme is Opiatoha Ofu, which means power is unity. There are about 5 to 10 different bands with people dancing. The different bands all have their designated color, and at the end, a band is chosen as the band of the year and cash prize are won.
Anyway, so they say, now what's the way? Anyway, so they move, now what's the way? Shit, anyway, so they will be there. Now what's the beat? Now what's the beat? Now what's the beat? Now what's the beat? Now what's the thing? We're not trying to get you out. We're not very little. We're not trying to get you out. You are very loyal, you are loyal, but your love is not loyal. You are loyal, but your love is not loyal. You are everything.
something to always look forward to every year. It's actually quite exciting. So this year we are expecting something much more energetic, something much more fun, something to remember. By next year we'll be expecting something greater too.
This is one event that will truly be memorable for me. I interacted with a lot of tourists and locals, and one thing that I really learned is how important the Idoma International Carnival actually is. Not only do tourists come to experience the amazing things the carnival has to offer, but for the people who have businesses here, they see a lot of income during this month alone, which is sometimes more than the entire year. This is one of the things I really wish continue happening in Nigeria. Please like, subscribe and leave a comment on which part of the carnival you enjoy the most.